Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your Subaru's compatibility and the exact year. Some models need a factory update while others require a new head unit. Once confirmed, make sure your iPhone has iOS 9 or later and you have a quality cable. Now unlatch the dash trim carefully with a pry tool and remove the radio bezel. Work slowly to avoid broken clips. While panels are off, locate the radio mounting screws so you can extract the old unit without forcing it. Disconnect the battery negative terminal for safety and prevent electrical faults. Next, attach an OEM-compatible wiring harness or a dedicated Subaru interface module. This preserves steering controls and reverse camera signals. Route the USB cable to the glove box or console for reliable CarPlay connection. Make sure the mic is positioned near the driver. Slide the new head unit into the bracket, tighten the mounting screws, and reconnect the battery once everything is seated and insulated properly. Power up the system and select CarPlay mode. Connect your iPhone by cable and allow permissions when prompted. You should test audio playback, phone calls, Siri responses, navigation routing, steering wheel button mapping, and backup camera orientation. If CarPlay does not initialize, make sure the USB port is data-capable and not power-only. Inspect fuses and harness pinouts, and update the head unit firmware. Often a simple firmware or iOS permission fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.